Okay, I got the communications over buddy.com working. So here's the, you start the client remote app here. Okay, let me log in. Okay, buddy server starting, checking messages, and it has zero messages. Not sure why this button is not yellow. Okay, let's start CafeDroid. Okay, logging in. CafeDroid doesn't have to log in because there's only one CafeDroid. Checking messages, zero messages. So now I can do a communications check. It's going to send a message over to the through buddy.com to the machine, and if the machine sees it, it's going to reply back. So Comm Check. All right, message sent. Let's look over here. We should see one message is found. Reply sent. And look at that. That was very fast. Get the reply. And back to zero. Do that one more time. Comm Check. Checking messages. Found it already. Reply sent. All right. Alright, so now we just need to expand the messages that are sent. The messages will be sent normally automatically. Like if the remote user wants to know what K-cups are in the machine, it'll send a message to the machine. The machine will send back a list of K-cups. Okay.